Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by putting the watch on correctly. A snug fit ensures sensors read motion reliably. Once done, open Settings and enable Assistive Touch so the watch can map your hand motions. Next, follow on-screen calibration. Perform a double pinch and a clench slowly to train the sensor. Do this 3 times each. It improves accuracy because the watch learns your specific motion profile. Make sure sensors aren't blocked by clothing as you train. Now you map gestures to the actions you want. Go into Assistive Touch and pick double pinch, clench, and finger raise, then assign each to useful controls like Home, Back, or Siri. Choose short press versus long press where available so a single gesture can do 2 things. Test each mapping immediately. Open the home screen, then perform the gesture to verify it triggers the intended function. If a gesture feels unreliable, tweak sensitivity in the finish by using gestures during normal tasks so they become natural. Answer a call, scroll a list, or trigger the camera with a double pinch. Once comfortable, refine sensitivity and repeat training until reliability improves because consistent motion patterns are easier to detect. If gestures misfire, reduce sensitivity or rerun calibration. If the watch is unresponsive, restart it and ensure watch OS is up to date. One quick troubleshooting tip. Adjust strap tension. Sensor errors often come from a loose fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.